So we just got to Animal Kingdom and Nick's gonna play tic-tac-toe with a cast member. So we'll see what happens.
You know, when grown-ups play, it's usually a pretty long game. Well, I guess it doesn't matter.
All right, that's a cute thing in front of the park. That was cute.
Big consolation prize. A little tip for you.
He got a consolation prize. What is it?
So it's Pumbaa chasing an ice cream cart.
Okay.
It says, take it slow and watch where you go.
That's it. All right.
And it's a safety tip.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fun today.
Okay.
Up their numbers.
All right, so we just got into Animal Kingdom, and this is right beside the Tree of Life. They have some macaws out here. I've never been able to stop and time this right to see this, but we just had some macaws fly overhead, and here they come back. Look how beautiful they are. It gives me chills. They're so majestic. They're so beautiful.
Now, isn't this a sight worth protecting out in wild places? This is so incredible. Thank you so much. We have so many different species coming on down to join us right now, but make sure to keep your phones and cameras up because you never know when these birds might be heading off on their next adventure. I do hope to point out, right over here with Brad, we actually have a little miniature flock of blue-throated macaws. Looks like most of them are about ready to head back up to their apiary. Feel free to come back for our final winged encounter show of the day, starting at 2:15. No two shows are ever alike. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We'll see you later, everyone.
All right, so we just caught the tail end of that, but they're absolutely beautiful.
Thank you for joining us for Winged Encounters. Remember, together we can help ensure amazing sights like these remain in wild places for many generations to come. Enjoy the rest of your adventures here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
All right, so we caught some of that. I think the next one's at 2:15. Probably won't make it back around this part for that one, but I caught a little bit of this one and that was well worth it.